Okay, that's the part that I hate to talk about because in my culture, we are taught to be modest and not to talk about ourselves. But you, as a student, might want to know who your instructor is and whether they're qualified to teach the course you have taken. So here's a little bit about me. I started programming at the age of 7 with a Commodore 64 and totally fell in love with it. And at the time of recording this, I'm 32. So I've dedicated pretty much most of my life in learning and practicing programming. I started learning C and C++ in my high school years, and then I enrolled in Bachelor of Software Engineering to study the fundamentals of software in an academic fashion. I also started working from the age of 18 in the industry, so I've been around for about 14 years. Later, I continued my education to the master's level and got a Master of Science in Network Systems. And along the way, I studied for Microsoft exams, and I'm a Microsoft Certified Technology Specialist, Application Developer, and Professional. I also run my YouTube channel called Programming with Mosh, which I started recently. So if you're interested for some additional tips and tricks for free, join my channel. So what does all of that have to do with Backbone.js? Absolutely nothing. That was just my story. In terms of Backbone, I started using it about 2.5 years ago in building a social networking kind of website. I used it to implement something like Facebook's newsfeed and messaging system. And since that time, I've been using it in many projects that I've been working on. So in this course, I'm going to share with you what I've learned over the past 2.5 years. If you enjoy this course, I would really appreciate it if you take a second and leave a review. I hope you enjoyed this course, and I will see you in the next lecture.